you ever feel stuck when you're trying to learn video editing? Well, yeah, it happens to the best of us. Sometimes all you need are just a few tricks to unstuck yourself. Today you'll learn 5 very easy tricks in DaVinci Resolve. Trick number 1. Navigating quickly. So let's say you're busy editing and zoomed in somewhere in your timeline, but you want to get an overview of your whole edit real quick. Just press Shift+C on your keyboard to get your entire timeline in frame. This is very useful. By the way, you can also do this by going to the full extent zoom button. As you can see, that button does the same. Now next to this button there are 2 more buttons. This right here is the detail zoom button. When you click it, your timeline will be zoomed in at point where your playhead is. Next to this one, you'll have the custom zoom. This one will be automatically activated when you zoom in yourself by holding down Alt while scrolling or with this zoom bar right here. As you can see, it now switched to custom zoom. Trick number 2. Quick transitions. When you have 2 clips and you want to add a very simple transition between them, just select the line between the clips and press Ctrl+T. Then just choose Trim Clips. Now you've created a cross-dissolve transition, which looks awesome. By the way, you can easily customize this by just selecting it and going to the inspector panel. Right here in the transition tab, you can change some settings if you want to. Trick number 3. Fading in and out audio. Let's say you have this music track underneath your edit and you want to fade it in so it starts softly. This is actually very simple. Just zoom in on the start of the song, and when you hover your cursor over the top left corner, you can see this little white triangle appear. Just click and drag them to the right to fade the song in. You can make this fade in as long as you want to. And that sounds so much better. Now let's take a look at the end of the song. We're gonna make this fade out. This works the exact same way. Just hover your cursor over the top right corner and then drag the little triangle to the left. Let's take a look. That sounds amazing. Alright, now after watching countless DaVinci Resolve tutorials, you still feel stuck, but you really want to kickstart your career as a video editor. Now, I've created a complete beginner's course that I wish I had when I started out. After completing it, you will have all the knowledge you need to edit videos professionally. We'll go through every page step by step. You'll learn to create cool effects, cinematic transitions, smooth title animations, and you'll master the color page to make your videos look stunning. You will learn how to work with audio and so much more. By the end of this course, your videos will look professional. And yes, you can follow along perfectly with the free version of Resolve. Plus, you can download all my project files and edit together with me by clicking the link down below. Now, because it's the end of the year, I'm giving you 30% off by using the code DECEMBER. Click the first link in the description down below to get started. Trick number 4. Changing the color of your clips. When you're working on big projects, staying organized is really important. To keep things clean, you can change the color of your clips in the timeline. Just right-click your clip and choose Clip Color. Now you can choose a color for your selected clip. This really helps me to have a better workflow. You can also do this for audio clips, by the way. Trick number 5. Changing the speed of your clips. Speeding up or slowing down a clip in Resolve is actually very simple. Let's say I have this footage of driving cars right here, and I want to create a time lapse of only a few seconds. This means we need to speed the video up. Just select the clip and hit Ctrl+R on your keyboard. As you can see, it now shows a percentage at the bottom. Now it says 100%, which means the clip is at normal speed. Now when you hover your cursor over the edge of your clip, you can see this double arrow pop up. Now you can drag the side of the left to make it play faster. Let's speed it up for a moment. And there you go. Very simple. Now, what if I want to do this the other way around? For example, I have this video of a basketball player, but I want to slow it down to really capture his movements. To do this, select the clip and hit Ctrl+R. Now drag it to the right to stretch it and make it play slower. And there you go. That looks very cool. Now, to level up your editing skills even more, you need to know how to flip and rotate your clips, and you can learn everything about that right here in the video on my left. Thank you guys so much for watching.